Okay, in this video, we're going to look at reading a chart. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, I am not the best at reading charts. I much prefer a written pattern. But equally, I know people who are the other way and much prefer a chart to a written pattern and would avoid something with a lot of writing in. So it is up to you. You know, you might find them both equally accessible or one more than the other. Most patterns, if they need a chart, will probably come with a chart as well as written instructions. It tends to be free patterns that are just charts. So this is a motif that's part of another part of a garment, but we're not going to look at the whole thing. We're just going to look at the motif. So this bit in the middle is a magic ring. Okay, so we start with a magic ring, and then we do 3 chain, and it tells you here that each one of those loops is a chain. So you've got your 1, 2, 3 chain, and then the pattern then goes 3 more chain and a treble. Okay, again, it shows you here what that is. 3 more chains and a treble, 3 chains and a treble, 3 chains and a treble, 3 and a treble, 3 and a treble, 3 and a treble, 3, and then the little dot is slip stitch back to your starting chain. Okay, so that's that first round. Then it's very kindly on this one numbered, so here's 2. So I've got another 3 chain, and I think we must have turned because we're now going the other way. That's why it's a different shade. So we've done our 3 chain. We've got 3 trebles this time, 3 chain, 3 trebles, and you can see that each of the treble is going into one of the chains, and then these 3 chains are skipping that treble. These 3 treble, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, there's 4 going into there. Did I count those right? Because this 3 here is counting as a stitch. So you've got 3 and then 3. Okay, so you might be going into the top of that stitch there then. Yeah, so you've got your 3 into there for your 4. There's only 2 chains on this one, and then you've got your 4 trebles, 3 and your 4 trebles, 2 and your 4, 3 and your 4, 2 and your 4, 3 and your 4, 2, and then slipping back into here. And then we've turned again because we're going back that way this time. So again, you've got your 3 starting chain, and then your 3 more, and then you've got a treble in each treble. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 going into 1, 2, 3, 4. You've got, that looks like 7 chains there, and then again 4 trebles going into 1 into each treble here, 3 chains there, a treble into each treble, your 7 chain, a treble into each treble, 3 chains, a treble into every treble, all the way around, and then again you're going to slip back into there. Okay, so that is how you read a chart. It will come with a nice little key for you so that you know what each bit means. And like I say, some people find these really easy. I personally prefer written instructions, but that is how you read a chart.